Hey everyone, welcome back for another episode of the Cooking Goth, and tonight I'm going to teach you guys how to make what I call baked apple pie apples. I saw this on another website. They made these apples that are kind of like sandwiches, but the apples themselves are kind of like the bread, and they used peanut butter. So I thought, why not make apple pie? And I love apple pie. It's one of my favorite things. By the way, you can probably hear my cats in the background, my kittens that I raised since they were 2 weeks old. I used milk replacement to raise them or feed them, nurse them, whatever. They're playing in the background. Can't get them to stop, so I'm an animal lover. You guys can deal with that. But anyways, I'm going to teach you how to make these, and I hope they turn out well because it's my first time doing this. It's kind of like an experiment. So here we go. For this, you're going to need pie crust dough, store-bought or homemade. I made my own. You're also going to need apple pie filling, Granny Smith apples, cinnamon, Hershey's caramel syrup, Ready Whip, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of water, and then preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And then roll out your dough real thin. And then cut your circles into your dough. And then whisk together your egg and water. Brush both sides of your little pie crust with the egg wash. And now bake them for 10 minutes. When they come out of the oven, they should be flat. If not, you can flatten them. Next, you're going to slice up your Granny Smith apples into even slices. Make sure to remove all the seeds and the cores. Now sprinkle some cinnamon to taste on both slices of apple. Drizzle on your caramel. Now scoop out some of the pie filling without the apples and spread onto both slices of apple. Then put on your crust. Put on your apple top. Now bake for 10 minutes at 350. They should look like this whenever they come out of the oven. Finally, top it with some whipped cream and some cinnamon. And now that they've cooled off a bit, and I was able to put some whipped cream on. That's what they look like. They're really wet. Oh. I love apple pie. It's like warm apple pie, you know? Yeah, sorry, I forgot to look at the camera. Kind of distracted by its goodness and the fact that I got whipped cream all on my nose. Can't reach it. This is really good. really mashy. It might not be something that you want to eat too often. But hey, the best food in life is really messy. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of not turning this video up yet. For one, I'm not finished eating. Two, I don't want to touch my phone with these fingers. I mean, look at them. I've been dipping in some warm apple pie. I hope this doesn't hurt my stomach. I doubt it will, but By the way, I know I made enough of those little crust things for about 4 of these, but it's, what time is it? It is now 3 a.m. and I kind of just don't want to do anything. I worked all day. But I really wanted to make this video for you guys. Plus, I really wanted something awesome to eat. Have a great night, everyone.